Relationships are complex, and navigating them well requires wisdom and thoughtful action. Stoicism provides enduring principles that can help men foster respect, understanding, and deeper connections with the women in their lives. In this video, we'll focus on 7 Stoic rules that are essential for building strong and meaningful relationships. These aren't just tips for avoiding mistakes, they're about creating bonds that are grounded in mutual respect and genuine understanding. Here's how these timeless principles can make a real difference in your relationships. The first rule is to control your emotions. Stoicism teaches that our emotions are within our control, and that includes not letting external circumstances dictate our reactions. In relationships, this means staying calm during conflicts, listening without jumping to conclusions, and responding thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. When a disagreement arises, smart men use Stoic principles to maintain their composure, ensuring that the conversation remains constructive. By keeping emotions in check, they avoid unnecessary arguments and misunderstandings, fostering a relationship built on mutual respect and understanding. Next, value your independence. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-sufficiency and not becoming overly reliant on others. In relationships, this means maintaining your own identity, passions, and goals. A healthy relationship is one where both partners are strong individuals who come together to support and uplift each other, not to fill gaps in each other's lives. Smart men understand that their independence is a source of strength, allowing them to bring more to the relationship without losing themselves in the process. By nurturing their own interests and personal growth, they contribute to a partnership that is dynamic, balanced, and full of mutual respect. The third rule is to practice active listening. According to Stoic philosophy, wisdom comes from understanding others and ourselves. In relationships, this means truly listening when your partner speaks, without planning your response while they're talking. Active listening is not just about hearing words, it's about understanding the emotions, intentions, and needs behind those words. When smart men listen actively, they create an environment of trust and empathy, where their partner feels valued and understood. This deepens the connection and helps to prevent misunderstandings, ensuring that both partners feel heard and appreciated. Fourth, avoid attachment to outcomes. Stoics teach that we should focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. In relationships, this means not clinging to expectations or trying to force specific outcomes. Whether it's the direction of a conversation, the pace of the relationship, or even the actions of your partner, smart men focus on their own actions and intentions, knowing that they cannot control everything. This Stoic mindset reduces anxiety, stress, and disappointment, allowing the relationship to grow organically. By letting go of rigid expectations, they create space for a relationship that is more authentic, resilient, and fulfilling. The fifth rule is to lead by example. Stoicism is about embodying the virtues you value, such as wisdom, courage, patience, and temperance. In relationships, this means being the person you aspire to be, and in doing so, setting a positive tone for the relationship. Smart men understand that their actions speak louder than words. By showing kindness, patience, and respect consistently, they inspire the same behaviors in their partner. Leading by example is not about being perfect, it's about striving to live by your principles and encouraging your partner to do the same. This approach creates a relationship dynamic where both partners uplift each other, making the relationship stronger and more harmonious. Sixth, embrace impermanence. Stoics remind us that everything is temporary, including relationships. While this might sound unsettling, it actually encourages us to appreciate and cherish the present moment. Smart men understand that by acknowledging the fleeting nature of life, they can focus on making the most of each moment with their partner. This Stoic principle helps them to avoid taking their partner for granted and to value the time they have together. By embracing the impermanence of life, they cultivate a relationship that is rich in gratitude, presence, and appreciation, making every moment count. Finally, prioritize virtue. Stoicism teaches that virtue is the highest good and should guide all our actions. In relationships, this means being honest, fair, and kind, even when it's difficult. Smart men prioritize these values over short-term desires or gains, knowing that a relationship built on virtue is more likely to be fulfilling and enduring. By holding themselves to high ethical standards, they not only build trust and respect with their partner but also ensure that their actions are aligned with their principles. This commitment to virtue creates a strong foundation for a relationship that can withstand challenges and grow stronger over time. These 7 Stoic rules aren't just ancient philosophy, they're practical principles that can transform your relationships. By controlling your emotions, valuing independence, practicing active listening, and embracing these other rules, you can create deeper, more meaningful connections. Remember, true wisdom lies in applying these principles in everyday life. As you navigate your relationships, let these Stoic teachings guide you towards greater harmony and mutual respect. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on living a fulfilled Stoic life.